They say the desert keeps secrets, but none darker than the one buried beneath the sands of Rajasthan. In 1825, more than 900 villagers vanished overnight. No bodies, no signs of struggle. Food still cooking on fires. Doors left open, and since that night, no one has ever lived there again. This is the story of Kuldhara, the cursed village that disappeared into legend. 2 centuries ago, the desert was alive. The Palaval Brahmins, proud, educated, and skilled in trade, built Kuldhara into an oasis of prosperity. They dug hidden wells beneath the sand, irrigated crops, and traded in salt and silk. At sunset, the sandstone homes glowed like gold. By all accounts, it was a peaceful place, until a man named Salim Singh rode in. He was the Diwan of Gazalmer, a powerful official known for cruelty and obsession. He demanded taxes that bled villages dry, and when the Palawas resisted, his greed turned to something darker desire. He wanted the daughter of the village chief. When her father refused, the Diwan swore that if the girl wasn't his by the next full moon, he would take her by force and burn the village to the ground. As the moon rose above the dunes, the people of Kuldhara gathered in secret. The elders knew they had no army, no protection, only each other. So they made a choice. A choice no one could have imagined. That night, every man, woman, and child, nearly 1,000 souls, packed what they could carry, and before dawn, they walked into the desert. When soldiers arrived the next morning, the fires were still burning, the food still warm, but every trace of life was gone. The sand carried no footprints. It was as if the earth itself had swallowed them whole. Before they vanished, the villagers left behind one final act of curse, that anyone who tried to live in Kuldhara would never know peace. For centuries, no one dared to rebuild. Travelers told stories of strange lights flickering among the ruins, of footsteps echoing in empty courtyards, of whispers that call your name from the dark. Even the government of India eventually sealed it off, declaring it a protected haunted site. Today, tourists visit by day, but when the sun begins to set, the air grows cold. Local guards swear that shadows move on their own, and sometimes, they say, you can hear a woman crying, calling for the daughter who never returned. Scientists claim it's superstition. Archaeologists say drought drove them away, but the desert, it keeps its secrets. Maybe the people of Kuldhara didn't vanish at all. Maybe they found another path, beyond the dunes, beyond the reach of time. Or maybe they're still here, waiting, watching, walking the sands. Every night, when the wind blows across the ruins, it sounds almost human, like 1,000 voices whispering the same word. Kuldhara,